Guys, I actually got this huge box in my mail a couple of days back, and I definitely know the brand who has sent me the box, and I'm really excited to know what is happening in this, what's going on, what are the products, and I think I also know that there might be a little surprise for all of you as well. So let us first start with unboxing this. Let's start with, building the suspense a little bit. Oh my God, I'm so excited. All right, here we go. Okay, I can see some stuff already. Oh my God. Let us see. I'm just gonna put this down. So, NYX turns 2 on Nykaa. That is what they've said on top, right on top. This is what I see. We are turning 2 on Nykaa, and here's something special to get the party started because we think you're totally worth the hype. We can't wait to see the looks you create with these beauties. We have lots in store for our anniversary. Stay tuned and da-da-da-da-da. And congratulations, NYX. First of all, happy birthday, happy second birthday on Nykaa. Also, there's some stuff here. I'm not going to speak too soon, but I'm just going to keep this aside for now. Worth the hype. Hashtag worth the hype. That's what they said. We have a mirror by NYX. That is so cool. You know what, you guys? I'd gone to the NYX office, like the L'Oreal office. I mean, the last year, I'd gone to the L'Oreal office, and that's when I'd seen the NYX mirror. But I didn't have it for myself, and now I feel good. I think I'm going to use it in my videos for sure. We have a travel bag tag, so that is cool. I'm going to be using this as well. And let's see what is going on in this. That is a lot. Okay. We have one more pencil in this. I'm going to put this out as well. I'm going to put this box down. No more clutter required. What is this? Oh, it's in the shape of 2, I think. What is it? Is it in the shape of 2? I hope I'm not wrong. Pretty much NYX Cosmetics birthday hype. NYX Cosmetics India. All right. Oh my God. Let us check it out. Oh my God. Wow. This is, okay, let me check what's going on. This is the Micro Contour Duo Pencil. We have 2 of these. I'm gonna check all of this. First, let's just go and, let's just see what is happening here first. We have a lot of soft matte lip creams over here and so many beautiful shades. These are really cool. These are the darker sort of shades in browns and, darker nudes, I would say. This could be, the struggle is real, you guys. The struggle is real. Yeah, got it. This is Leon. Okay, very cool. I'm liking this one as well. Let's check it out. This is San Francisco. Oh, this is Shanghai. So I think all of these are new launches. That is what they say that's what they mean by saying that new launches now exclusively on Nykaa. I think that is what they mean. Let us see other stuff over here. There's foundation. This is Total Control Drop Foundation. I think let's try this one out. This is in the shade Cinnamon. Of course, you don't need to, one should not be, testing the foundation shade on their hands, but I'm already wearing makeup. I'm just trying the texture and the feel of it. I think it's really soft and nice. I'm not sure if this is different from their earlier foundation. Really not sure right now, but the packaging looks almost the same. So over here we have soft matte metallic lip creams. I'm going to try one of these for sure right now. Let us try this one. it's actually like a darker pink. I'm not going to put it on my red lip right now, but it's more like a darker pink. Yeah, it has that metallic sheen. So now we can zoom in and show you guys how it's looking. It's got that little metallic sheen, if you can tell. Let's try another one. I want to try like a darker one. I'm going to try this. Okay. It's so soft. It's like the exact texture of the soft matte lip cream as well. It doesn't feel heavy at all, and it has that little sheen. I'm liking this one. Actually, I'm liking the pink one more now because it's changing a little bit. It's definitely getting more and more metallic. Let's try one more. I think I'm going to be wearing this one too often. Oh my god. I'm going to use this as an eyeshadow as well. Check it out. It's got this beautiful copper bronzy tone. I'm really, really liking that. I think I'm going to use this more as an eyeshadow. I hope that this is safe for the eyes as well. I'm going to check it out later. We have this What the Hype mascara. Okay, I think I'm going to probably try this on my existing mascara. I'm not wearing falsies at all. Of course, it's not going to show me any results right now because I already have a lot of mascara going on my lashes. But I think it's adding a hint of extra volume to my lashes. Let me know what you guys think. I'm not sure, but let me know. Next we have is this eyeshadow palette, Soft and Rosy. Definitely making a video on this for sure. Definitely happening. It's got the best mauvey, pinky sort of tones. There's a gray over here, there's a metallic shade here, the foiled eyeshadow. And it's got like two very, 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 very soft matte shades as well. Let's swatch this. It's got this really, really soft tone to it. Definitely filming a video, trying out this palette for sure. Really liking the pigment. It's not very, very pigmented, but it's definitely got that, you know, it's a good soft color. I'm not going to say that it's like really dark because the shades itself, you know, they are soft in their own. Also have is this shiny baby pink color. Definitely filming a video, trying out this eyeshadow for sure. So overall, I'm really liking this. It's a very nice, handy day to night sort of a look eyeshadow palette. And then we also have the Micro Contour Duo Pencil. This is the crayon double pencil. That's what they've said over here. This is in the shade medium. I think that is what will work for me. Okay, there's medium deep. I think medium deep should work well for me. Okay. I'm going to swatch this for you guys. This is the perfect shade for me for contouring, and if I pat it with my finger, it actually blends in really, really well, so that's really good. And the other one is the medium side, so this is the medium to deep. So I think I can use this as a concealer or a highlighter, underneath the eye area. It should work as a good concealer for me for sure. It looks like pretty much the shade that will go for my skin color with respect to concealing as well as contouring. It's the medium deep pencil in the shade MCD PO3, so that's what it's called. The other one is simply medium, which is MCD PO2, and this is PO3. So I'm definitely going to try this one out. Going to place this back over here. So overall, guys, in this entire box, we have these soft matte lip creams over here, which I'm just going to place back right here. And over here, we have some foundations. I've got 5 shades going on. This is in the shade, let's see the shade number. Okay, this is in the shade Camel. And the one that I actually tried was Cinnamon. This one is in the shade Soft Beige, which could be my color, but generally in other foundation brands, my shade with respect to foundations is Warm Beige. This one is in the shade Nude, which I'm not sure right now. Shade name Nutmeg. The other one is Sienna. And then we have one more over here, which is, this is a primer. It's the Total Control Drop Primer. Let's test this out on my hand. Let's see how this works. It's actually pretty light, just like it's got a little bit of a velvety feel to it. Pretty much velvety. It doesn't feel oily or greasy at all. So I think I'm going to try this primer along with this foundation sometime, and definitely going to use this, you know, concealer, highlighter, contour stick for myself. Maybe if you would want me to make a video of trying out all these lip shades on my face, then I'd be more than happy to do that. Let me know in the comments below. I'll go ahead and film that video for you guys without a doubt. So guys, that's pretty much it. This was the entire unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this, but I have something for all of you in store. This is a goodie bag by NYX for you guys. It's a giveaway which I'll be announcing about pretty soon, and this giveaway pouch has quite a few interesting things. There's an eyeshadow palette. This is the NYX Full Throttle eyeshadow palette with quite a few smoky eye shades. It's from the bluish eyeshadow family. Then we have the jumbo eye pencil in pink. I have this in blue, and I think in pink it's going to be really, really interesting. We also have the liquid illuminator, which you guys see me use in a lot of my videos, and we have a pink and a red soft matte lip creme. The pink one is a butter gloss, and we also have two eye pencils and the Wonder Stick. It's the highlight and contour stick. So this is your entire giveaway pouch. In case you would like to win this, in case you would like to know what are the rules and all of that, then stay tuned on my Instagram and you will know about it pretty soon. I'll be posting about it, and you guys can win this cute goodie bag with all these NYX goodies. And that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this unboxing video. I tried to film this a little bit differently today. So yeah, congratulations NYX once again. Thank you for sending me this entire makeup box, and thank you for helping me out with helping one of my followers out with this giveaway. It would be great fun if you guys participate. And stay tuned for my other videos, guys. Thank you so much. Know that all of these products are now available on Nykaa.com. You can get all of these new launches on the website. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys very soon in my next one. Bye.